And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can connect your, MetaMask into PancakeSwap. So it's pretty simple to connect your MetaMask to PancakeSwap. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the step, let me tell you guys what PancakeSwap is. PancakeSwap is a, a network of PancakeSwap where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and MetaMask is a wallet where you guys can store your crypto. So that's the basic definition of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video, which is on how you guys can connect these two with each other. Alright. Now to connect your MetaMask into like PancakeSwap, basically you want to open your MetaMask on your phone. After you do that, you want to click on these three lines. Once you click on these three lines, you want to go on where it says settings. All right, once you go on setting, you want to go on where it says network. Once you go on network, you want to go on add network. Now once you go on add network, over there you need to fill up this thing, and to fill up these things I have already shown you the information at this side over here. As you guys can see, these over here you need to copy the same into this place. You do not want to even type a single name mismatchedly. All right, so I've shown this on my screen. You guys can pause this video and watch these texts and these links, and you can and you guys can write it on like your network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer. So let me do that. For network name, I'm just gonna copy this Binance Smart Chain over here. After copying it, I'm gonna paste it on network name, and for RPC URL, I'm gonna copy this RPC URL over here real quick. Paste it over here, and for like my chain ID, I'm gonna write 56 over here, and for my symbol, I'm gonna write BNB in capital. Do not write it in short, just copy it same to same over here. And then for block explorer, I'm just gonna copy this little link over here and paste it over here. After I do that, basically I'm gonna click on add, but before that I'm giving you some time to copy these words like the same I did over here. Do not misplace even a single word or a digit. So if you guys have copied this, if you guys haven't, just pause the video. I'm gonna click on add over here. After I click on add, wait for some time, and this network will be added. In another word, your PancakeSwap is added. Now over here I wrote Binance Smart Chain, but this is not for Binance Smart Chain. This is for PancakeSwap. If you guys are suspicious about me, then look at this. I'm at the official website of PancakeSwap over here, where it's telling me how you guys can connect it. So as you guys can see, it's telling me to connect it with MetaMask. How you guys can do that, I'm just gonna scroll through this slowly. You guys can read this as well, or pause the video to read it. As you guys can see, it's like the official website of Pancake, and it's teaching you how you guys can do that. So if you guys are suspicious, you can also visit the official website, and it's going to show you the same information over here.